Are you looking for the best kids bike bicycle for girls ages 3-7 years? In this video we will look at some of the best kids bike bicycle for girls ages 3-7 years on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FJ Exquisite Durable and Lightweight Children's Bicycle. This 6-in-1 kids bike can be transformed into 6 modes: push bike mode with training wheels, kids bike mode, balance bike mode with kickstand, and folded mode, which meet the needs of children from 2 to 7 years old. Bringing children the joy of riding. Easy to assemble. The new package needs to install the front wheel. Please refer to the installation video on the home page. Our push handle toddler bike user tool-less design. Installation takes just a few minutes. The red button in the middle of the bike body helps you fold quickly, and the small size bike is easy to store. Number 2. Kids bike bicycle for girls ages 3-7 years. High carbon steel frame, sturdy and durable, ensuring the safety of children. Wear-resistant tires provide a stable riding experience. Suitable for various road surfaces. Adjustable seat can be adjusted according to the child's height to ensure comfort. Sensitive double brakes, front and rear double brake design. Stable braking, ensuring the safety of children. Safety auxiliary wheels prevent side flip, provide extra stability. Number 3. The 14th of December 2016 children bike boys girls. Sturdy carbon steel bike frame and fork provide excellent impact and wear resistance. Anti-slip wheels with grooved pattern do grip the road well and keep your ride smooth. Front caliper brake and coaster brake, high sensitivity and easy to control, much safer. Adjustable bicycle handlebar and seat, suitable for children of different heights. Non-slip pedal and handler with rubber cover, make your kids more comfortable. Thickened sponge saddle, soft and comfortable, sit for a long time without getting tired. Number 4. Foldable kids bike with safety. This 16-inch kids bike easily fold and transport. Sturdy kids bike has height adjustable handlebar and saddle. In addition, the PP covered seat is comfortable and the removable basket perfectly meets children's storage needs. Lightweight yet robust, it's perfect for families on the move. Besides a handbrake, this kid's bicycle is designed with a coaster brake, which is suitable for small kids who don't have enough power to control brake by hand. In the meantime, the enclosed chain guard can protect kids from getting hurt and provide a safer pedaling environment. Number 5. Kids bike bicycle for girls ages 3-13 years. Product material: metal. Product type: bicycle. Product style: modern and minimalist. Product style: little bear style. Product color: pink. Product size: 12 inches/14 inches/16 inches. The product size is shown in the figure. We do not share your personal details with any third parties without your consent. We protect your privacy and keep your personal details safe and secure. Due to manual measurement, please allow for a difference of 1 to 3 mm. Thank you for your understanding. Due to differences between different displays, please understand that the image may not reflect the actual color of the item.